Erik, the president and founder of Paradise Park in Belgium, has said that giant panda is a fantastic gate to discover China, and his animal park will continue the collaboration with China to protect the precious species. The Belgian Animal Park recently announced that 3 of its 5 panda will leave for China this year.
I've never met anybody who would not under the charm of a giant panda. And at the same time, you open the gates to Chinese people, to the Chinese culture, to the Chinese wildlife. On a more strategic point of view, this is a fantastic gate to discover the country.
The panda's return to China is part of an initial agreement between Paradise and the China Wildlife Conservation Association. According to ڈومب, the zoo has a further plan to promote the protection of giant pandas, and he will play his role in improving the communication between China and the West.
The story has just started. So our next step, which will probably be the most exciting step, is to build a Chinese village. It's like a theater where we will show wonderful images of giant pandas in the wild. We will show the work of your scientists, to protect the species, because it's beautiful. I'm sure, it will impress our visitors. I think I can play a very small role. I know a little bit, which are the ways of sharing messages, and communicating message. And I will put all my life, my energy, to work, to reduce the distance between China and the rest of the world.